Hello folks, here we have a Bentley GTC. Really stunning vehicle, but the radio has some issues. Mainly the presets, well, not even the presets, the touchscreen is pretty much out of sync. You do 1 to 6 and you get 7 to 8 and you touch the maps and it goes somewhere else. So it was a bit unreliable. Customer wanted us to repair. It's about 12 grand to replace, but we were able to fix it for a fraction of the cost. Bentley unit now repaired. Installed a new touchscreen. Okay, so I'm going to turn this down. Touchscreen is responding in the sense that if I touch it there, station list, let's just go to capital dance or capital extra, back, volume. So yeah, a lot more responsive now. We go to the map. So the touchscreen is how it used to be from factory. If you've got problems like this, give us a shout. They ain't cheap, but we can fix them. Waz, B&B Audioconcepts. Also, we have an airbag issue, which we're going to resolve. And airbag issue sorted. This vehicle is now sold and it's pretty perfect for the new owner.